Hey guys, Jules Kain here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over the song Smile by Jonathan McReynolds. This song is written and played in the key of A. Diatonic chords of the key of A. Okay, so let's play through the intro and see what we have here. Life doesn't always give you a reason to smile. And so life sometimes has an attitude, I won't change mine. 'Cause all the love you given and all the ways you make, the fact that I'm still living, how dare I wear a frown on my face. I can't help but smile, 'cause I realize what you've done for me, all the battles you won for me, and someday soon you'll come for me. I can't help but sing, for you already gave me the victory, and no pain and no hurt and no misery can take away my smile. Okay, pardon me, don't have much of a voice today, but that's generally the first verse with the intro. So let's try that again. Let's break it down. The intro, you're going to be playing this nice little lick here. So that's B, C sharp, E, B, A, F sharp, E. In two parts. Okay. Now you're going to play an A major chord. Now you're going to play an A9, which is just playing an E minor chord on top of your A chord. Then you're going to play a D major 6 to a D major 7. Now the key thing to focus on the second chord is you're playing a B minor triad to an F sharp minor triad. And that's while you're holding that bass there. Okay, again, A major, E minor. Okay. Now you're going to be playing the D bass, B minor, F sharp minor. Okay, now I'd like to go to the 5. I'm going to play a 5. It's an E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to play a D major triad on top of that E. Make a nice E9 sus4, also known as 11 chord. Then we're going to walk up. Life doesn't always give you a reason to smile. Okay, so that movement there is you're playing an A major chord to a D major 7 to an A over D flat to B minor 7 to A. Now the extra notes that you saw there in the beginning were, I'd like to add that sus2. Okay, I'm going to walk up to a B minor 7. Now I can play an A over D flat there. Dun, dun, dun. Life doesn't now D major 7 always give you. Now these extra notes you're just seeing some little fill in, but it's really just this A over D flat. I add this here, and I add this here. The A the B and the A flat, to B minor 7, to A 2. Okay, again, live, played basically, life doesn't all, that's an E chord over D, F sharp over D, give you a reason to smile. And sometimes I like to sound out the melody in that A major scale. Life doesn't always give you a reason to smile, but I add chords to it. Here's the melody line. Look at the chord. That top note is the melody. Life doesn't always give you a reason to smile. Now, I like this lick here. You're just playing to that D chord. And then, oh, life sometimes has an attitude, I won't change mine. So now, this special chord here is just an F sharp major chord on top of B flat. Now, with all the love you've given, you're going to play a B minor 7, and you can add these extra notes for a little color. So this section here is you're playing a B minor 7, a D major, and an E major. To give it a little extra. It ain't always easy living. Great. Now the next section, when you go to the F sharp minor, but now that I have a choice today, I can't help but smile, 'cause I realize what you've done for me, all those battles you won for me, and someday soon you'll come for me. So you're going F sharp minor, how dare I wear, frown, E, D, A over D flat. Then we go to that nice F sharp over B flat again. I can't help but smile. B minor 7, 'cause I realize, E9 sus4, what you've done for me. A, walk down to the 6, all those battles you won for me. Then back to the 2, and now someday soon. Now this is a D flat 7, sharp 9. You can add the sharp 5 if you want. All these voicings work, or even just okay, and then I can't help but sing. So we're just walking up. Quality is F sharp, A flat minor, F sharp over B flat, B minor 7. Now, pay attention to this. You're going to play a nice, I love this chord in here. This is an E, it shows up as an E7 sus4 flat 9, but what you're playing is a D minor chord on top of E. So this is an alternative version of a 5. Instead of just doing the D major, you can do the D minor. Again, D major on the right hand, D minor on the right hand, over that E. Nice voicings. No hurt and no misery. Now this is going to be a B chord over E flat. Then we go to the 5 again. Can take away my smile. Now I know that seems like a lot, so I'm just going to play it all in context again. So you go back to the intro. You can also play the intro like an A, E minor, to B minor, to F sharp. Or just this. Let's do it again. Funny how people always have something to say, but I find peace in knowing that you love me anyway. Now no matter how I'm feeling, you will never change. See, there's a little lick here I like here. You will never change. Let's do it again. And no matter how I'm feeling, you will never change. It ain't always easy living, but now that I have a choice today, I can't help but smile when I realize what you've done for me, and all those battles you won for me. And someday soon you'll come for me. I can't help but sing, 'cause you've already gave me the victory. And no pain and no hurt and no misery can take away my smile. And that's pretty much the whole song. So in the end, he's just going to be playing the chords from the intro. The Lord made a way for you to see another day. Just smile. Regardless of what they and the others have to say, just smile. And that's pretty much the whole song. You can't take away my smile. Alright guys, that was Smile by Jonathan McReynolds. Thank you guys so much. Hey, if there's a piano tutorial that you would like for me to cover, please go to my website, JulesKain.com, and place an order there. It helps me spend the time to give really great detail and quality to each of these songs. Also, if you see a song on my channel that you really like, but it's hard to follow a piano tutorial that I post, I also offer sheet music and MIDI files for those who place special orders, or you can order sheet music that has already been made. You can find all that on my website, JulesKain.com. Thank you all for the support, all the thousands of you that have viewed, and the hundreds of you that have placed orders. Thank you guys so much. I also do custom piano lessons, piano lessons via Zoom. So you can also order those on my site or send me an email. Again, thanks again, and I'll be back with some more.